Hey, hi. We're going to look at this app called Manager Expense and Budget. It helps you to track your expenses, your incomes, and all that stuff. Okay, it looks like this. It has kind of a lot of ads, so you have to be a bit patient. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard. The dashboard has this is transaction statistics accounts. I've already put a 2000 income, but let me try to do it again so that you can follow. So let me click on this plus. There's a plus sign. So this is the one which you use to add anything like income or expenses. So let me click on this big plus. When you click on it, you can click maybe income. Then you can put the income. Maybe this is $500. Then you can click on done. Category, you can say this is a bonus. Was it cash or card or accounts? Let me just say, cash. Note, let me just leave it there. Note, let me just say, there's a lot of ads actually. Okay, so this is actually was bonus. So let me click on save. So I've added like 500, it becomes now $2,500. Okay, those are all incomes and they are all occurring on one day. So actually here on app, there's a month and there's a day. So for the date, it automatically actually just archives your transaction per day. So you don't have to select the date, okay? So if today is 7th, yeah, that is it. So all these transactions are happening on 7th. October. So if I want to add an expense, I just have to click on this plus, select expense, amount is 2,800. Okay, done. Category, this was transport and this was cash. Okay, let me say save. And that is it. So here I can see like this is income $2,500, expenses 280. And on my right here, it can actually show, breakdown of like 2005. Okay, this is 2000. This was income, another income 500. So I have an expense of 280. Okay. So you can go on statistics. It has a graph. It can show you like all expenses so far, 100% transport, and it is 280. Incomes total is 2,500. 80% is my income. 20% is coming from bonuses and all that stuff. And they have a tab for accounts. You can easily say, okay, let me see payments coming in from cash, payments coming in by card, something like that. So it's actually really cool. And you can do backup, all that stuff. So basically, this app really can really help you track your expenses and income. It has categories. You can categorize all of that. So it's really easy to calculate your, where your money is going. You can easily know where your money is going. Here we have total. It can show you like, hey, last month is, something like that, expenses and all that stuff. You can export to Excel. Okay. You can export to Excel. I don't know if we should try to add maybe another expense. So I just have to click on this plus. Expense, let me say this is 214. Okay, let me just say, oh my gosh. Okay, let me say 141. This was what? Let me first go back. This was not for, this was maybe education. This was paid by card, save. Okay. So let me go to stats. I can see like education is taking 33.5%, transport 66%. Okay, you can sort by weekly or monthly or annual. something like that. So transport is, so something like that. It gave you even a graph, all of the stuff. Let me go to trans daily. Okay, I can see here education. I paid by card. Transport, I paid by cash. Incomes, they're coming in by cash and cash. This one, you can even put notes. Okay. So that is what you should expect from this app, Money Manager Expense and Budget. It has more than 10 million downloads. Okay, so really people are loving this game, and I see they have a lot of 5 stars. I really like the app and wish to purchase a premium version which is ad free. The only problem is I can't add it to something like that. The app is fantastic and it's simple and detailed. These guys really have a good app. So you should have to try out this app if you want to try to track your expenses and income. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube if this video was helpful. If you don't want to subscribe, at least you can leave me a like. Let me know which country you are watching this video from. I really appreciate it. Okay. See you in the next video and bye-bye.